Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. Today we will look at how to create a schema from a flat file database as shown above. So the first thing that we need to do to create a schema from this flat file database is we need to group the separate bits of related data. So in this case, we have all of the patient information, all their fields that will go into the patient table. We have a driver section, which will contain information about the driver. And then we have to find out the most important table out of all of them, which is the linking table. And that's what this whole thing is about. And in this case, it's all about transportation. So we're gonna call it the transport table. We then need to start to fill out our fields. So we start off with the patient table. The first field is going to be the patient ID, which is the unique identifier of every patient in that database. You then need to put patient first name, surname, their address, their date of birth, etc. We then move to the driver table. Now the primary key in the driver table is going to be the driver license, which is again going to be another unique identifier of every driver. You then need to list the driver first name, last name, as well as the date of registration. We then need our linking table, which is going to be our transport table. So we start off with our primary key, the transport ID. We list down the transport date, the time, as well as the foreign keys, the patient ID and the driver license. So once you have this set up so far, the rest of the schema that needs to be completed is the relationships and listing the primary and foreign keys. Now, the primary keys are the unique identifiers of every record in that database. So for example, the patient ID would be a primary key. We can easily identify every patient that needs transport or that's in the database. Also, transport ID would be a primary key, as well as the driver's license. They are both very unique. The foreign keys are the primary keys of the other table. So in this case, the patient ID and the driver's license will be the foreign keys. The final thing that you need to do is you need to add the relationship types. And we are linking the patient ID from the patient table to the patient ID in the transport table. We then need to put our relationship type, which is going to be a one-to-many relationship, meaning one patient can have multiple trips. And finally, we do the last link on the other side, which is one driver's license can have multiple trips as well. So that relationship type would be one-to-many. Anyways, guys, I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.